Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Southern Coastal Highway. This road is now going to be renamed the Paul Bogle Highway. This is a highway that takes you from Kingston or from Harborview to Morant Bay, and then from Morant Bay to Port Antonio. Now the section from Harborview to Morant Bay is 4 lanes, which is what we're driving on now, and this is the section that's going to be renamed the Paul Bogle Highway. To be more specific, it's going to be from Bull Bay to Morant Bay. That section will be the Paul Bogle Highway. The section from Harborview to Bull Bay, we're not sure what name that section of the highway will have. But this road was built by China Harbour Engineering Company, and this is what you call a game changer for St. Thomas. This road has literally opened up St. Thomas to investments. You have the Morant Bay Urban Center, one of the most successful developments in Jamaica. That's where you have a modern urban center, but in there you're going to have KFC, Burger King, Juicy Patties, NCB, a tax office, a new courthouse, a new passport office, a new tax office. You're going to have Heart, basically all the government entities and private entities in one place. Because Morant Bay is an old town. Weak infrastructure. The town was built years ago. So they're building a new facility with modern infrastructure, roads, parking, lighting, internet, electricity, water, and a world-class highway to get there from Kingston. Kingston is the most populated area of Jamaica, or I should say the Kingston metropolitan area. So this road, this is what you call a job well done. You really have to give thanks to the Prime Minister who built it and China Harbour Engineering Company who did the physical work. Job well done. Now this road was to take another route on the previous administration. We take it through the hills and make it a toll road. But the Prime Minister said, change the route and said, let's go through the main towns and incorporate all the main towns in it. And this is the route that we're looking at. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now this road has different sections. The section we just drove on, very nice, it's finished, job well done. There are some sections that they're still working on, so it's still a work in progress. Alright guys, have a good day.